Hi, welcome to the Night Farmhouse. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to show you how to take your stuffing bread that we made in a previous video and make dehydrated bread cubes to make into stuffing for your Thanksgiving table. And it's a pretty easy process, but I thought I'd bring you along and just show you how simple it is to have pantry shelf bread cubes for your stuffing any time of year. Because some people actually keep stovetop stuffing on hand. So this is similar, just it's not from a box and not from the store, and probably tastes a whole lot better. So let's get started. I am going to be using the instructions found in this book. And when dehydrating breadcrumbs or slices, you want to use your choice of bread into 1-inch cubes. Place the cubes or slices on the dehydrator tray in a single layer and dehydrate at 135 for 3 to 4 hours. And that's also depending on the amount of humidity in your air. And the house is currently at 47% humidity, so it should take less time than usual. The bread should be hard, completely dry, and crumble easily. All right, so let's crack this baby open. Let's see if I can do this straight up and down. Left hand. I'm just trying to keep my hand out of your way here. But just look at that crumb. I mean, granted, I'm not using an electric knife, but that is fantastic. All right. So cut it the way you want to. The smaller the pieces, the quicker it might dehydrate. And if you have little ones, you might want to cut it smaller so there's no choking involved. Or if you have elderly people that don't have good teeth anymore, you might want to think about those people. So we're just gonna go to town and cut this up. Now I love using this for my breadcrumbs when it's not Thanksgiving, and make chicken cakes with them for the air fryer. Single layer, and this will go in the dehydrator at 135 for 3 to 4 hours. I used to worry about measurements, but then I started quilting. You learn pretty quick what an inch is and what a 1/4 inch is. And the sharp knife helps too. All right, in efforts to clean up my mess. So if you've been here a while, you know I make messes. All right, so I'm gonna just take these crumbs, and with my bench knife, I'm just gonna scoop them up. We're gonna put these in the bottom to catch all the other crumbs that might fall through. So I have 7 trays of breadcrumbs. Then I have the crumb catcher on the bottom. So if there's crumbs like here, they'll just fall down. And maybe it'll be less of a mess for me. All right, so we're gonna put the lid on here. I'm gonna crank it up to 135. And maybe it'll help if I put the, all right. We're gonna crank this up to 135 and we're set it for 4 hours. All right, We'll be back when they're dried. This is what they look like coming out after 4 hours. I guess for stuffing you want it to be completely dry so it absorbs all that wonderful chicken stock. And in order to save breadcrumbs, I put a deep dish cookie sheet or a jelly roll pan under here so we don't waste anything, because you know I'm notorious for messes. And I'm just putting the cubes into the bowl. Then I'll be putting them into half-gallon size jars, because this don't last long, and why put it into a bag that costs money to buy to seal them up. And so we're just going to dump the rest of these crumbs in here. My mom says, waste not, want not. All right. From those 2 loaves of bread that we made in that stuffing bread video, I got 5.5 quarts of cubed dehydrated bread cubes for my stuffing. And this is how much breadcrumbs I got from just not wasting it. We'll keep this for the pantry and use it in chicken recipes. And we won't have to buy breadcrumbs from the store. If you found value in this video, please give me a like, a comment, or even possibly a share saying, hey, I've learned something new today. Until next time, love each other, praise the Lord, and God bless.